Imagine a world where efficiency meets sustainability. That's what we at Toyota Material Handling India bring to you with our new FBD series from Tailift. A product that symbolizes trust, innovation and a commitment to a greener future. With safety and global carbon neutrality in mind, Tailift, a Toyota Industries Group company, has crafted the FBD series, symbolizing trust with inspiring technology to last for generations to come. With an eye on the future and a commitment to sustainability, we are proud to present our top-of-the-line lithium-ion battery forklifts, the FBD series. Continuing with the philosophy of Toyota Industries Corporations to offer product and services that are of high-quality standards, FBD series trucks aim for safe operations and zero carbon emissions. Available in rated capacities of 2, 2.5, 3 and 3.5 ton to suit various industrial applications and with a lift height of up to 6 meters, it offers high performance, high energy efficiency and excellent maneuverability to suit both indoor and outdoor working conditions. The FBD series is ergonomically designed, keeping operators' comfort as top priority, enabling them to work continuously and efficiently. A long assist grip and comfortable step-in height enhance the operator's comfort while getting on and off the truck. Ample head clearance and adequate legroom provide best-in-class comfort for operators of any size. Thanks to the adjustable steering, ergonomic pedals and suspension seat, now operators can work for longer duration without feeling any fatigue while achieving high productivity. Excellent ground clearance and easy to access levers aid in easy maneuvering. FBD series is engineered to provide operators a comfortable and smooth operating experience and contributes to better work efficiency. Powered with lithium-ion battery, the FBD series trucks provide an opportunity to overcome the challenges faced on lead-acid batteries. With lithium-ion battery offering the advantage of opportunity charging at your choice of time, coupled with fast charging with a rapid charger. Say goodbye to the hassle of maintaining spare batteries. Enjoy high visibility and stability while handling material at maximum lift heights. Plus, experience the optimized lifting and tilting speeds for efficient and safe operations. With different power modes to suit your needs. At Toyota Material Handling India, safety first is more than just a slogan. It's a commitment. That's why we've taken extra measures to ensure safety, giving you one thing less to worry about. Ergonomically positioned hydraulic levers help error-free operation. All these features are offered as standard to facilitate safe operations. The FBD series is a sturdy, consistent and efficient performer. The FBD series can just keep on delivering with a few or no pauses. Rest easy knowing that in the unlikely event of a breakdown, our trained technicians are just a phone call away, ready to get your operations back on track in no time. Apart from offering the best products to our customers, Toyota Material Handling India believes in giving the best-in-class after-sales support. Easily accessible component aid in quick inspection and maintenance work. Experience the future of material handling. Contact us today to learn more about the FBD series.